What if I told you that the garden you have been dreaming about, the one that looks like something straight out of a five-star hotel with glowing lights, lush arrangements, and that warm, luxurious atmosphere, is sitting right now on the shelves of your Dollar Tree? I am not talking about a few fake flowers in a plastic pot. I mean a full-on outdoor transformation that will make your neighbors stop and stare, and honestly probably ask you how much you spent on a landscaper. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Most people walk into their backyard, look at their plain grass and their sad little arrangement of mismatched pots, and think that making it look beautiful would cost them thousands of dollars. Pinterest and Instagram have completely warped the way we see our own outdoor spaces. You scroll through those gorgeous patio setups with lanterns glowing at night and fairy lights strung through the trees, and somewhere in the back of your mind you have convinced yourself that is not for people like me. That is for people with bigger budgets and probably a landscape designer on speed dial. But I am here today to completely shatter that idea because I have been testing and building and transforming my own space, and I have done it almost entirely with items I found at Dollar Tree in 2026. And the results? Honestly, shocking, even to me. Stay until the very last hack I'm showing you is the one that made my neighbor knock on my door and genuinely ask if I had hired someone. It costs less than $4. But first, let me show you something right now. One of the most jaw-dropping things you can add to any garden or patio is a glowing light tower. Glass spheres stacked on top of each other, pulsing with warm, golden light after dark. It looks like something out of a luxury outdoor catalog. You can make it entirely from Dollar Tree punch bowls and solar lights, and by the time I walk you through everything in this video, your outdoor space will never look the same again. Before we dive all the way in, if you are new here, welcome to Garden Homes. This channel is built for people who believe beautiful spaces should not come with a brutal price tag. If that sounds like your kind of place, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and ring that bell so you never miss a new video. We drop garden transformation content every single week, and trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. And I want to hear from you today. Drop a comment right below this video and tell me, are you transforming a backyard, a front yard, a patio, or a balcony? I read every single comment, and knowing your space helps me create exactly what you need. Now, let's get into it. Hack 1. Solar Sphere Tower. The first thing that will completely transform how your garden feels at night is this glowing solar sphere tower. And once you see how it's made, you are going to feel like you have been let in on a secret. Take a set of clear glass punch bowls from Dollar Tree that usually come in a few sizes and remove the stakes from a set of solar lights so you're left with just the light heads. Glue one light head to the inside bottom of a bowl, then flip a matching bowl upside down and glue the two rims together so they form a complete sphere. Repeat this with two more bowls to create a second sphere, alternating the sizes as you stack them. Glue them one on top of the other and place a small potted flowering plant inside the topmost open bowl to crown the whole piece. At night, these spheres light up from the inside with that soft amber glow, and stacked together they create this tall sculptural centerpiece that genuinely looks like it belongs in a high-end garden boutique. The whole build costs you around $6 to $8 total. Place it near your front entrance, on a patio corner, or as a garden path focal point, and watch what happens. Hack 2. DIY Luxury Lantern String Lights. Outdoor string lights are everywhere, but they almost always look the same, that predictable strand of bare, warm bulbs that everyone has seen 1,000 times. What I want to show you is how to turn Dollar Tree solar lights into something that looks like custom designer lantern lighting. You'll need a wire plant hanger, a few of the rose gold mesh pencil cups from the stationery section, and copper top solar lights. Use a small wire cutter to open a hole in the bottom of each pencil cup, just wide enough for the solar light's base to slide snugly through. The copper top of the light peeks out above, and the mesh body of the cup becomes the lantern casing. Thread them along the chain from the plant hanger or use jute cord to string them together in a cascading line. Hang them from a pergola beam, a fence post, or along a porch overhang, and when those lights flicker on at dusk, the result is this warm, glowing chain of lanterns that looks completely custom and completely expensive. Nobody is going to guess you made this under $10. Nobody. Hack 3. Fairy Garden Miniature Village. This one is specifically for anyone who has a flower bed, a raised planter, or even a large container garden and wants to give it that enchanted, almost magical quality that makes people lean in and look closer. Dollar Tree in 2026 brought back their fairy garden miniature houses, and they are back in full force this spring. These little resin cottages sit at about 4.5 inches wide, small enough to tuck into the edge of a flower bed without overwhelming it, but detailed enough to make your garden feel like a tiny world of its own. Arrange 3 or 4 of them in a cluster at different heights by propping some on small stones or pieces of bark. Fill in around them with low-growing ground cover, moss, or even just decorative pebbles. Add a couple of the solar mushroom lights nearby, and suddenly your garden has a story. People who see it will smile before they even realize why. This is the kind of detail that elevates a space from a yard to a destination, and you can do the whole setup for $12 or less. Hack 4. Solar Mushroom Light Path. Speaking of those mushroom lights, let us give them their own moment because they absolutely deserve it. Dollar Tree this spring released a mushroom solar string light set, 10 lights on a strand with a built-in solar panel, available in white or multicolor, and the strand runs just over 12 feet long. Here's what you do with them that most people are not thinking about. Instead of laying them flat along a pathway in the obvious way, push the individual mushroom stakes into the soil on alternating sides of a garden path so the caps lean slightly outward like they're growing naturally from the earth. When they come on at night, you get this low, dreamy glow that traces the entire path through your garden. It looks like something from a fantasy film set. Pair this with a few taller plants on either side of the path, ornamental grasses, lavender, or black-eyed Susans if you're in USDA zones 3 through 9, and the mushroom lights make those plants look incredible after dark. 12 feet of strand, 10 mushrooms, $6. That's the math on magic. Hack 5. Gold Candle Lantern Centerpiece Cluster. Outdoor entertaining spaces live and die by the quality of their lighting, and this next hack is the one that makes your patio table or your garden seating area look like a curated outdoor lounge. Dollar Tree this year added a new gold candle lantern holder, a glass tumbler set inside a gold metal lantern frame, 8 inches tall, with a thick ring base that lets it sit on a flat surface, hang from a shepherd's hook, or stake into the ground. One lantern alone is already beautiful, but here's what takes it to another level entirely. Buy 3 or 5 of them, always an odd number because odd groupings look more natural and intentional, and arrange them at different heights on your patio table or garden bench using stacks of flat stones or upturned terracotta pots as risers. Drop a tea light into each glass tumbler or a battery-powered flicker candle if you prefer something safer around plants and pets. The gold frames catch the light and cast this warm, honeyed glow across your whole seating area. It looks like a rooftop restaurant. It costs $15 for the whole cluster. Your guests will not believe you. Hack 6. Wire Basket Garden Cloches. Here's a hack that does double duty. It protects your plants, and it makes your garden look like it belongs in an English countryside estate at the same time. Garden cloches, those beautiful bell-shaped glass domes you see covering prized plants in formal gardens, typically cost anywhere from $25 each on the low end up to $60 or $70 for the glass ones. A wire trash basket from Dollar Tree costs $1.25. Turn it upside down over a young seedling, a prized perennial, or a small herb plant, and it becomes a functional cloche that keeps rabbits, deer, and early frost from reaching your plants, while the open wire mesh still allows pollinators to get in and the rain to reach the soil. Spray paint them matte black or antique bronze, and they genuinely look like intentional high-end garden decor. Line 3 or 4 of them in a row along a raised bed, and the visual effect is completely stunning. Buy as many as you need and still spend less than $10 total. This is one of those hacks that makes experienced gardeners do a double take. Hack 5. Hanging Herb Garden Display. Fresh herbs are one of the most practical and beautiful things you can grow in any outdoor space, and a well-designed herb display looks intentional, lush, and absolutely inviting, like something you would find at a garden-to-table restaurant. Here's how to build one for almost nothing. Pick up a few small tin containers from the Dollar Tree craft section, a roll of jute rope, and a few wooden craft sticks for labeling. Drill or poke a small drainage hole into the bottom of each tin, then plant one herb per container. Basil, thyme, rosemary, mint, and chives all do beautifully in small containers like these. Tie the jute rope around the neck of each tin, leaving enough length to hang them at staggered heights from a horizontal branch, a piece of driftwood, or a simple dowel rod mounted between two fence posts. Write each herb name on a craft stick and press it into the soil. The result is this cascading artisanal herb wall that looks handcrafted and intentional in the best way possible. If you're in USDA zones 8 through 11, rosemary and thyme can live out here year-round. Zones 4 through 7, pot them so you can bring them inside before your first frost date and keep them going all winter long on a sunny kitchen windowsill.
Hack 8. Windchime Garden Focal Point. This one is quick, simple, and wildly underrated as a way to add both sound and visual texture to an outdoor space. Dollar Tree's 2026 spring collection includes new assorted wind chimes in multiple designs: birds, flowers, butterflies, made from colorful pressed metal shapes with 4 twinkling chimes hanging below. They run over 2 feet long, so they're not small or flimsy looking. Here is the upgrade move. Instead of hanging just one alone on a plain hook, hang 3 of them together at slightly different heights from a single sturdy branch, a wooden arch, or a decorative shepherd's hook cluster. The layered movement and the gentle overlapping sound they create together feels infinitely more luxurious than a single wind chime ever could. Choose a spot where they catch the breeze, near a garden entrance, beside a seating area, or framing a view across your yard. $9 for all 3 chimes. The ambiance they create? Genuinely priceless. Okay, I promised you at the beginning that the last thing I showed you would be the one that makes people think you hired a professional landscaper. This is it. And yes, it involves a broomstick. Stay with me. Take a wooden broom handle from Dollar Tree and 2 small metal wall brackets with hooks, also from Dollar Tree. Glue the brackets to the broomstick using strong adhesive, about 1/3 and 2/3 of the way up the pole, and reinforce them with a couple of zip ties for extra hold. At the very top of the pole, glue or slot in a Dollar Tree Garden Collection solar lantern so it sits like the crown of a lamppost. Hang 2 smaller matching solar lanterns from the bracket hooks. Push the base of the broom handle into a large weighted planter filled with gravel and stones so the whole post stands upright on its own. Step back. What you are looking at is a custom, freestanding solar garden lamppost that flickers to life at dusk and makes your entire outdoor space feel designed, intentional, and breathtaking. The whole build costs you less than $4 if you already have a broom handle lying around, less than $8 if you are starting from scratch. My neighbor genuinely knocked on my door after she saw it lit up at night and asked who I had hired. I told her, Dollar Tree. That is everything for today's video. And honestly, I hope you are feeling the same thing I feel every time I finish one of these transformations, that little spark of excitement about what your space can actually become. None of this requires a big budget, a design degree, or a landscaper. It just takes a little creativity and the willingness to see potential in unexpected places. If you try any of these hacks, please share your results in the comments. I genuinely want to see what you create. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you ideas, subscribe to Garden Homes if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.